this video we're showing you the Yorkshire Thoroughbred Car Club Classic Car Show at Locke Park in Barnsley. This year it was held on the 8th of June 2025, and it is an event typically held in early June. Now let's have a look and explore those beautiful classic cars here. The Yorkshire Thoroughbred Car Club, or YTCC, was founded on the 6th of October 1966 in Huddersfield and has grown into one of Yorkshire's most enduring classic car communities. Initially an offshoot of the Yorkshire Historic Car Club, the YTCC soon created its own identity, complete with a logo, club badges and its inaugural Concours d'Elegance at Greenhead Park in 1967. The cars arrive from about 9 AM and the displays, they start around 11. We paid £2 parking. There's a special parking area they create when you get near the car park, so there's plenty of car parking available. There's also a little bit of a fun fair here at Locke Park for kids, for families. It's a very much a community focused event, this classic car show. So you can also buy snacks at the nearby playground. There's this fun fair which was also quite nice for the little ones. They can go on rides, etc. There was also a brass band, which I will show you a little bit now. You can see a full song performance of this band in the video linked below this video. So now let's have a look around this classic car show a bit more. I will just show you some more of these beautiful cars.